Hello everyone. In today's video tutorial, we are going to present how we can create datum planes in Abaqus. So under the part module, you can see this icon, create datum plane offset from principal plane. This icon, you can also see it under other modules like property module, assembly module, interaction module, load module, mesh module, and I think optimization module as well. Yes. So let's see what options we do have. If you press and hold the right click on the mouse, you can see the options. Right click the first option and here Abaqus say which plane you want to choose. Let's choose XY plane, and now if you want you can put a value for an offset. Let's leave it 0. You can see the datum that has been created, and you can also see it under the features in the model as datum plane 1. So the second option, if you hold the key, is offset from plane. Let's right click this plane, enter a value, you can choose the direction, you can flip the arrow, you can see it. Let's click OK, let's put a value of 10. This is the next datum that has been created. The third option is 3 points. 3 points define a plane. So right click the first point, right click the second point, right click the third point, and the datum has been created. So the fourth option is line and point. The Abaqus firstly says select a straight line through which the datum plane will pass. Let's choose this line. And now select a point not lying on the selected line. Let's click here and a new datum has been created. The next option is point and normal. Let's click this point and select a straight line normal to the datum. Let's click this one. Here's the new datum. The next option is midway between 2 points. So let's click, let's say, this point and this point. Yes, here the new datum has been created. And the last option, rotate from a plane. Let's click this datum and select a straight line about which to rotate. Select this. Here Abaqus asks for angle of rotation. Let's click 30 degrees. And now a new datum has been created. So guys, I hope you found my video helpful. Stay tuned for next videos. Thank you for watching.